Hi everyone, this is Sammy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet granny square cocoon cardigan. So let's get started. I'm working with a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and worsted weight yarn. In 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 2, 1, 2. Make 2 more double crochet. 1, and that chain 2 takes the place of the first double crochet, so that's my first 3 double crochet cluster. I'm going to chain 1, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. So I have 2 3 double crochet clusters and a chain 1 space in between. I'm going to repeat that 2 more times. So chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, find the top of the first chain 2, and slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. I have 4 groups of 3 double crochet clusters, and each one of these chain 1 spaces will be a corner stitch. So I'm going to turn my work, and I'm going to slip stitch into that first chain 1 space, and then I'm going to make 2 groups of 3 double crochet clusters in each one of these chain 1 spaces. So chain 2, and that takes the place of the first double crochet. Make 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 1, and in this same space I'm going to make 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. And I'm going to chain 1, go right over to the next chain space, and repeat 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and here's how that looks. I'm forming a corner. So I'll have 2 more corners here, and these chain 1 spaces will be my corner stitches. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to chain 1, and I'm going to come over here and make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, and in the same stitch, 3 more double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. And here's how that looks, and I have my 4 corners. So now I'm going to turn my work. I'm going to slip stitch in this first chain 1 space, chain 2, make 2 double crochet in the chain 1 space, 1, and 2. Now in every one of these corner stitches you will always make the same 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. 3 double crochet, chain 1, and 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to chain 1, go to the next chain 1 space, make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 1. Come over to the chain space of the corner, make 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so you're going to repeat that all the way around. 3 double crochet in every chain 1 space, a corner cluster in every chain 1 space of the corner, which is 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet. So chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, a corner cluster, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, a corner cluster. Repeat all the way around, slip stitch to join in the top of the chain 2. Okay, I've gone ahead and finished that row, and now every row will be the same. You'll just turn your work and slip stitch into the first chain 1 space, make chain 2, 2 more double crochets, chain 1, make a corner cluster in the chain 1 space, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, corner cluster, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, cluster. And you'll continue to do that until the square measures according to the following chart. Okay, after you have your square the correct size, then you're going to just double crochet in every stitch all the way around. So double crochet in each of the double crochet stitches, and also double crochet in the chain 1 space. So you'll do that all the way around. So you'll do that all the way around, and I've done 3 rows, and in each corner stitch you'll make 3 double crochet. And then I added some fringe, and I put 1 cluster of fringe in every 5th stitch. When you have your square finished, you fold it in half, and you'll sew the seam, and then when you open it up, this is how it will look. And that's it. That's how easy it is to crochet these cozy granny square cocoon cardigan sweater. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.